welcome back. We're doing another review on a local company. This one doesn't need an introduction. You can see their link in the bio. They're a local company. We had a chance to run into them and meet them. Him and his family were wonderful. They treated us very nice. They do giveaways on trucks, but of course if you don't win, it's fine. Their merchandise is wonderful. Not everybody can win, so just like the lottery, take your chances. Their merchandise is pretty good, high quality. I ordered a couple, so we're gonna do an unboxing. Make sure also that you go follow them in the link below and whatnot. This package, bam. My hair is a little bit messy, but one of these packages will help that out. So here we go. You can see there. They do a lot of giveaways as far as trucks go and stuff like that. Of course, we got our Wrangler and we got our Hummer. So we definitely were interested in this company. First box is open. Let's check it out. There you have it. Look at that. Oh, that's crisp right there. Nice emblem. Stitching job is superb on that. Also, it is a flat brim and it is a snapback. The colors of it looks very nice. You know, try it on. These adjusted, but it's fine. Alright, let me do that. There you have it. I think it's a very nice looking hat, definitely. Win or lose, still amazing products. Local businesses putting out merchandise like that is very nice. So definitely go support them. Of course. I like to wear my hat backwards most of the time, so there we go. Alright, let's go back to the next package. Bam! Let's check it out. There we go. I ordered 3 t-shirts. One of them is for Steph. Check these shirts out. There is the first one. Money well wasted. If you're gonna spend your money on something, might as well be worth it. So this shirt is perfect for that. And that shirt is for Steph. Money well wasted. I thought it was a cute shirt, so I had to get that for her. Alright, and these two are my shirts. I got the forest green with the logo on the side. Good quality. Very nicely done. It's pretty good. I definitely like it. This one is Dreams Don't Sleep. So don't sleep on your dreams, because they ain't gonna come true if you're sleeping all the time. You know what I'm saying? Take time, reach for your goals, never give up. Keep striving, no matter what. That's what we like to do on this channel. Reach for our dreams. So I appreciate every single follower that I get, no matter how big or how small. Definitely like the message is trying to send out. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also remember to like, subscribe, and tell us if you like more stuff like this, alright? This was a quick little video to get our algorithm back out there and get videos back out, so it was very nice to do. And you guys know what to do. Until next time, have a good one. Be nice to each other, alright?